All right, Belly, you gotta hang on just a little longer, okay? I just gotta run this newspaper over to Charlotte, and then the rest of the night belongs to you. Wow, it's growling like a tiger. Oh, maybe I should get something to eat. No, you don't have to wait.
Sorry, my lunch alarm is going off.
About it. What's the harm? Hush. Now the real work begins.
Book at him, Judge!
Want a tum-tum gum-gum, champ?
You've been holding on to that could clear his name? Hmm?
No.
Moderation is the key.
So, can we have ice cream for dinner?
Is Clara hungry? Teto will cook for you.
It's true, I am reluctant. And now that I think of it, kind of hungry.
Goody goodness! All this jumping and flying talk has made me hungry.
I'm getting kind of hungry. I think I need a midnight snack before I get in bed.
Nope. Nada. Just one big blur. But I have to admit, though, I've got one serious case of indigestion.
The Halen seed's been unleashed!
Are you sure?
Dojo, you don't look too good.
It's Dojo's little brown surprise. I feel it backing up on me.